Hi friends. Today I just wanted to show you a research project that I've been working on for such a long time. Actually, I've been effectively working on it for around, let's say, 14 years, since 2009, since when I wrote my first thesis for my finals at my high school diploma. So I just wanted to share more about this project with you. And I'm gonna show you that in some different ways. First, let's take the example of the first work I submitted at my high school diploma, which title was "Sure, God Plays Dice: Mathematical Models of Reality, from the Physics of the Universe to Game Theory." So here I will have this thing somewhere here, I guess. And let's say no, these are some pictures of mine. So here it is, my diploma thesis, and here you can see the title, "Sure, God Plays Dice." And here is the name of the high school I attended, which is Scientific High School. And I had adhered to a special project, which was an experimental project focusing on science, theoretical and applied sciences, and technology. So here you can see the image of a nebula taken from the Hubble telescope. And here you can see some quotes. My favorite one is the one from the Anthology of Spoon River by Edgar Lee Masters. "They laughed at me as Professor Moon as a boy in Spoon River, born with the thirst of knowing about the stars. They jeered when I spoke of the lunar mountains and the thrilling heat and cold in the ebon valleys by Silver Peaks and Spica, quadrillions of miles away, and the littleness of man. But now that my grave is honored, friends, let it not be because I taught the law of the stars in Knox College, but rather for this, that through the stars I preach the greatness of man, who is none the less a part of the scheme of things, for the distance of Spica for all the spiral nebulae, nor any the less a part of the question of what the drama means." And then there is Pascal, which says that man is nothing but a stick, the most fragile of all nature, but it is a thinking stick. It does not need for the universe in its whole to be in arms to annihilate him. A vapor, a drop of water, it's sufficient to kill him. But even if the universe were to flatten him out, man would always be most noble than who kills him, for the moment, for the thing that he knows that he is dying, and the advantage that the universe has it as on him. So the universe knows nothing. All of our dignity lies in our thought. And from this thought, from this virtue, we must elevate, and not in the space and in the lifespan that we can fill. We should work on good thinking. This is the morals principles. This is from Pensées, from Pascal, and number 198. So here is the structure of the thesis, and here above it has a quote by Martin Gardner: "Not only maths is real, but it's the only reality." So here it is. Sure, got place ties from physics of the universe to the theory of games, mathematical model of reality. Here is the notion of a mathematical model, deterministic systems and theory of chaos, mathematical models for demographic studies, mathematical applications to the day-to-day life, models of decay, and laws isomorphisms. Analysis of models of the universe in modern physics, hypotheses on real structure and constitution of the universe, dark matter, models of distribution and fate of cosmos. And finally, a mathematical model for human relationships, the theory of games. And here is, my dedication, which is for my grandfather, A. Juntella, who showed me Orion because I wish to be always October among the stars while I wait to meet him again. And I have an interesting theory about how conscience sublimates in deep cosmos when we die, and quantum entanglement and quantum localization, about how souls will finally get reunited together after death in this human life on Earth. And I will I will talk about that more in later videos. So here, if we go on, there are some more quotes. The most famous is Per aspera ad astra, which means from difficulties to the stars, by Seneca. And here there are some more quotes by Giacomo Leopardi, who was a romantic 1800s poet in Italy. Plato, Seneca, Democrito, Jean Cocteau, Albert Einstein, who says that the most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible, in fact. And Stephen Hawking says that thanks to the mathematical model, I can see how the universe was born, but don't ask me why. And finally, the most important of things, all straight things are a lie. Every truth is curve. The time in its song is a circle. The center is everywhere, and the road to eternity is a curve. So I will talk about this more later in future videos, but for now let's just stop it and see you soon, guys.